To start off, you'll need to draw a large square and then divide it into smaller squares. The amount of smaller squares you draw will depend on the amount of digits in the numbers being multiplied. For example, in this problem, there are 4 smaller squares because there's 2 digits in 56 and 2 digits in 34. There's 4 digits total and thus accounts for the 4 smaller squares. Next, you'll need to draw diagonal lines from the bottom left corner to the top right corner of the small squares. After that, you need to set up the actual problem, like so. Next comes the multiplication. You'll need to line up the digits to a smaller square, like so. You put the tens digit to the left of the diagonal and the ones digit to the right. Repeat the process for all the small squares. 6 times 4 is 24, so you put the 2 to the left of the diagonal and the 4 on the right. 5 times 3 is 15, so you put the 1 on the left of the diagonal and the 5 on the right. 5 times 4 is 20, so you put the 2 on the left and the 0 on the right. Next, you'll need to add up the numbers in the areas denoted by the diagonals. In this area, the only number is 4, so you would just write 4. In this area here, you have the numbers 8, 2, and 0, which add up to 10. So you would put the 0 down there and carry the 1 to the next area. In this area here, you have the 2, the 1, the 5, and the 1, which add up to 9. In the last area, you just have 1, so you put the 1 over there. Your answer is made up of the digits you got from adding up all those numbers earlier. So that means that 56 times 34 is 1904.